So starting the test drive in this 2025 Rogue Rock Creek. Drives pretty similar to the other Rogues, as you would expect. You get the same powertrain. This one's just a little beefier, a little more off-road capable. And then we kind of have the four-wheel drive capability here, which is one of the reasons the price is a bit higher than some of the other Rogues for what you get. It's the off-road capability that you're really paying for. What I can say is you do feel like you can take this thing off-road. I don't know how capable it'll be compared to, let's say, a Pathfinder, an Armada, but I do like it. Just all the extras you get, especially, again, that off-road camera is pretty neat. It's a little thing, but can be really helpful and really cool. But I mean, even the sounds of the CVT and the engine, everything sounds just like the other Rogues. So there won't be any surprises there if you're going to this from another one that has the VC turbo engine. Now I will say I have it in, am I in eco mode now? Yes, I'm in eco mode, and it's very quiet in here. With this being a CVT transmission, or a CVT and a 1.5 turbo 3, you're getting those interesting sounds that you'd expect from this vehicle, but nothing out of the ordinary. Again, for this kind of vehicle, nothing that scares me. And unfortunately, I don't really have a trailer or anything I can test out the off-road mode on. Just know that you do have that capability, again, with the flip of this knob here. So I have the Rogue in sport mode now. I'm gonna give it a little pull here as we get on the interstate. And I'm gonna slow myself down and give it another one. All right, here we go. So pretty quick. And then again, we have the Pro Pilot here. We can turn that on. Pro Pilot Assist, excuse me. And then with the steering assist, we kind of get the lane centering and the adaptive cruise here, which is pretty nice, but it wants you to make sure you have your hands on the steering wheel the entire time. But a decent system, I think, especially just to have that standard on this Rock Creek here. Ride quality was pretty good. Sound acoustics were decent. Now I want to give one more thank you to Nissan of Cool Springs for allowing me to review this Rogue Rock Creek today. I'll leave a link below in the description. And again, if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, just make sure you click that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on one of these or any new vehicle. But all in all, I think it's a fun off-road vehicle for the money. And then it also has that capability of being an everyday driver. I don't think you get as good gas mileage with this as you do on the standard ones. You're only getting 32 highway, but City, you're still getting that 27. So it's still pretty good. But especially for that off-road enthusiast, you'll probably be pretty pleased with this. But with that being said, this brings me to the end of my review of this 2025 Nissan Rogue Rock Creek.